based on our investigation reports received and our own review of that, we don't believe that arming the public generally will lead to a reduction in crime.
You do or don't?
We don't.
Don't.
We have made checks across jurisdictions to see if this has ever helped, and we have found that a more restriction is.
Yes, welcome to my loyal viewers and subscribers. I had to start off this, YouTube video totally different this time. Let you listen to this bossy slave, Shane Darling, TUCUMAN, who think that Jamaican black people are New Zealanders, they are Europeans. Jamaican people are black people, black, angry, short of temper, wicked people. And this one is talking nonsense about amnesty. This gun about to bring back the guns. No gunman in Jamaica is going to return any gun so that Jamaican people can be safe. Gun, when a man have a gun, you notice the bullet is like a penis that make him feel powerful. And this one is talking as if he's the prime minister. This one is not the prime minister. Who elected this man? Dr. Horace Chang was the Minister of National Security. He supported law-abiding citizens to be harmed. Shane Darling want the law-abiding citizens to get killed by gunmen. But why? And the Jamaican taxpayers' money is paying for armed security guard for TUCUMAN. Yes, TUCUMAN. The Jamaican taxpayers is paying for armed security for TUCUMAN. Who elected TUCUMAN? Not even the superintendent of police. The crime fighters don't have anybody guarding him. And this man, Jamaica is so peaceful, so why he needs 8 security guards around him? They need to fire this man. What kind of security has the prime minister? Is TUCUMAN the prime minister or St. Andrew Holiness? This man is talking on behalf of the Jamaican government, telling people that the Jamaican law-abiding citizens do not need any gun. Or is this man serious? Is TUCUMAN serious? So TUCUMAN have no respect for the people of Jamaica. Dr. Chang, who's the Minister of National Security, he is acting in concert with Bobby Montague from St. Mary. And Bobby Montague said the other day in Parliament that he wants every law-abiding citizen to be harmed. And we've seen over and over again. Look, it was 3 weeks ago in Olympic Gardens, less than a quarter mile from the police station, where 2 harming enter an establishment. Yes, it was 2 weeks ago. 2 armed enter an establishment less than quarter mile from the Olympic Gardens police station and shot him up with several bullets. You could see it live on the CCTV camera. And when the gunmen went out, when they were escaping, and it was a live firearm holder that took them on, killed one of them and injured the other one and got 2 guns. What is TUCUMAN talking about? And that happened in the Prime Minister constituency. Is this man the Prime Minister or what? Because nobody elected TUCUMAN. And TUCUMAN have 8 security guard, armed security guard paying for his security. Then since as Jamaica is such a peaceful place, why TUCUMAN needs security? Why TUCUMAN needs security and he's not a public official, he's not a politician? Since Jamaica is this peaceful place. And I'd like to know, why is the Prime Minister allowing TUCUMAN to behave like he's the Prime Minister? No one voted for the thing. No one voted for TUCUMAN, It's the Jamaican people that voted for St. Andrew Holiness to be Prime Minister. And this little TUCUMAN behaving like he's the Prime Minister. Denying police officers license of firearm, denying decent citizens license of firearm. Some of them lost their life. I hope in time the table turn on TUCUMAN, He's not going to get any sympathy from majority of Jamaican people. Because this is a man, this labor right man, hate police and he hate law-abiding citizens. Why is the Prime Minister allowing this TUCUMAN to behave like he's the Prime Minister? Jamaican people voted for St. Andrew Holiness. They didn't vote for Tucuman. They voted for St. Andrew Holiness. Why is he allowing Tucuman to be the Prime Minister? That's how influential his wife is. His wife is involved in running the government agency. And this is the most corrupt agency in Jamaica. And he's talking about he wants to make Jamaica 2030 vision. What vision is talking about? Oh, he's talking about no vision. Because this little Tucuman talking about New Zealand. It seems like he doesn't see that Jamaican people are black people. Jamaican people are the most violent black people in the Western Hemisphere. Is what is wrong with this little Tucuman? If Jamaicans weren't violent, why is Tucuman have 8 armed security guards that taxpayers are paying for? And this cronyism by this Prime Minister and nepotism with this little Tucuman. Why don't get rid of him? Why don't scrap the FLA and give it back to the police? Because we need the citizens to be harmed. Once the citizens are harmed, gunmen live in fear of their lives. Look at the guys the other day in the old Prime Minister. Look at Tucuman, look at Tucuman's mouth. You know, this Tucuman talking about black people thinking that Jamaicans are New Zealanders. What an idiot. You ever see anybody like Tucuman in New Zealand? It's white, it's a white country. These are people of European descent. They are nothing looking like Tucuman, as his mouth, you know, like some, I don't even know what to say. This little Tucuman, the Prime Minister allowing this man to determine who live and who dies in Jamaica. How is this man so powerful? Why they don't get rid of him? Ian Hardly Carter. Why? It's because they are labor rights and they have secret for people in the JLP party. Or because these people are not patriots. These people are haters and they hate law-abiding citizens. They do not like them at all. Tucuman needs to go. Ian Hardly Carter. They need to scrap the FLA because this is just cronyism and adding more to the Jamaican debt. So the same poor people who live in Jonestown, Jungle, Rima, Tivoli, they have to be paying for security to guard Tucuman. When Tucuman do not want the same people them to have a license firearm to protect themselves. That is hypocrisy at its best. Tucuman need to go talking about the people don't need any, they need to bring back the guns. And what an idiot. Jamaican people are the most violent people. The least little thing that these people get upset is just to even tell them the truth. The more guns you have, the less crime you'll have in Jamaica. Because if the criminals know that if he goes in that community, and what Bobby Montague said the other day make a lot of sense, and I still haven't heard the Prime Minister address this matter. Not one bit. He haven't said anything. This man he didn't say a word and allowing Tucuman to be the Prime Minister. When Tucuman, nobody voted for him. How is this man, look at the man's mouth, how is this man so powerful in Jamaica? Nobody voted for him. Not a single person. But he's so powerful that he can determine who can have a gun in Jamaica and who can't. And that is disrespect, man. This man needs to go. And I hope when he's coming up for Thanksgiving, I hope all of my friends who work at Border Patrol, if he goes to one of them, they just take away his visa and send him back on his family so that they can visit America virtually. I've never seen somebody that I dis. And look at the man head, man. The man look like a balls. You know, I never look at the man head before. Really, the man is a balls. That in the man forehead, you know. I took a man have balls in him head rasta. Oh, fin balls in him forehead. Anyway, I'm not being petty or anything like that, but it's really, really sad, man. The Prime Minister need to, you know, take in TUCUMAN and we and let him know say he's one that is elected by the people and not this, you know, not TUCUMAN. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, this is the time to subscribe. Like the video, share the video, most of all, comment below. And stay safe. It is sad though that we live in a society where somebody who's not elected by the people is determined who live and who die. And the Prime Minister just stay like blind Bartimaeus. Blind, don't see nothing or hear anything. The people elected him for him to protect the people, and he's allowing this TUCUMAN, you understand, TUCUMAN who think that black people are New Zealanders. What an idiot, a bossy slave. And then the taxpayers have to be paying money to bodyguard this man, this is wrong. Corruption at its best. Thanks for watching the Jamaica Young Police channel. Have yourself a beautiful day.